In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on Amazon Prime Video to the USA. This is an important guide if you're moving between countries or if you just want access to a wider range of content exclusively available in the US. So let's jump into it and get you set up within just 5 minutes. First, open up your browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once there, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Amazon account, type it in and hit continue. You should now be prompted to enter your password. After you've done that, click on the sign in button to access your account. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper right part of your screen. There you'll see an option that says account and lists. Click on that to produce a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the account option. This takes you to your account page, which contains various sections related to your Amazon services. Now find the section that says Digital Content and Devices and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the settings related to your digital footprint on Amazon. Next, click on Devices. This will bring you to a page labeled Manage Your Content and Devices. It's here that you're able to make the necessary adjustments to your Amazon account settings. You should see a tab labeled Preferences across the top. Click on this tab. Once inside the Preferences menu, locate Country Region Settings and give it a click. Within this section, you'll find an option to change your country settings. Click on the Change button to proceed. Here's where you'll need to do a bit of setup. You're going to enter a US address. If you already have one, perfect. Just type it in. If not, you might need to generate one through free address services online. Ensure the details are accurate, as they may come in handy later. After you've filled in the address fields, look for the update button and click it. At this point, Amazon will save your new country settings, and your Prime Video account should now be configured as if you're accessing it from the United States. This simple change unlocks a new world of content and possibilities. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country on your Amazon Prime Video account to the USA. Enjoy accessing the vast content library that Prime Video in the US has to offer. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more handy tutorials.